Hello viewers, if you use Microsoft Outlook for emails, you probably think you know it inside and out. But did you know the latest version has some hidden features that can save you time, keep your inbox organized, and even prevent embarrassing email mistakes? Stick around as we explore 6 must know Outlook email tips and tricks. The first one is rectify mistakes with undo setting. Ever hit send on an email and instantly regret it? With undo send, in Outlook you can take it back if you act fast, but first you need to set it up. Go to setting, then email, then compose and replay. Scroll down to undo send and drag the slider to 10 seconds and hit the save button. Now whenever you send an email, a small undo button will appear at the bottom of the screen. The second one is plan ahead with schedule send. Need to send an email at a specific time? Use schedule send to make sure your message lands in the inbox at the perfect moment. How to do it? Draft your email as usual. Click the drop down arrow next to send. Select schedule send and pick a time. Your email will now wait in your draft and send automatically at the scheduled time. The third one is add professionalism with an email signature. Want to look more professional? Add an email signature to save time and make a lasting impression. How to set up signature? For this, click the setting, go to account and then signature. Create a new signature, add your name, contact detail and any branding elements. Choose if it should appear on new emails or replies and forward, then hit save. Now every email you send will automatically include your signature. The fourth one is keep your inbox clean with rules. Is your inbox overflowing? Keep it organized by setting up rules. There are two methods to set up rules. From a received email, right-click on an email, go to rules and create rules. Simple. And the second method is manually set up rules. Click rules, manage rules in the home tab. Choose add a new rule, then set condition and action, and then save. This helps you keep important email visible while filtering out clutter. The fifth one, use the search bar to save time. Struggling to find an old email? Outlook search bar can save you time. Click the search bar at the top. Choose the filter icon to refine your search by folder, sender, date, or keywords. Press enter and Outlook will find the most relevant result. No more scrolling through endless email, just search and find it instantly. The sixth one is switch to dark mode. If you spend hours reading emails, dark mode can help reduce eye strain and save battery life on your laptop. To set up dark mode, click on the setting, go to general and then appearance, then select the dark mode, hit the dark mode. That is the 6 powerful tips to boost your productivity and keep your email under controls. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you in the next one.